Hello everyone, welcome to Home Tech and Engineering video log. Today I'm going to try to clean up some of the fungus in this Mamiya Sekor lens. To see, you can see on the other side of the rear lens glass, there's a layer of fungus. I want to see if I can quickly to clean up this. I know many viewers ask me when I'm going to complete the repair on the Nikon F2E. Yeah, because I owe you guys one episode of repairing this camera, right? There's a couple of pieces, a couple of video section ago I mentioned this. I tried to get back to it, but I'm afraid if this Nikon FE is repairable, because in the end I find out some water damage. You can see the rusty here, so there's some water damage. I doubt this one is repairable. So I definitely can open this up. That's why I delayed this project for so long. I can open this up. In the end, probably I cannot do anything. So I think I better wait until I got another repairable Nikon FE2, then start working on that. That's probably more rewarding, right? So that's why, I find a lot of excuse to start work on other easy job. Anyway, so today, hopefully, I can get this Mamiya lens fungus taken care of. Okay, let me unscrew this piece of lens to see if we can get that cleaned up. This is a doable project. Seems a doable project. So far so good. Okay, but who knows? You never know. Okay, so I performed this task probably not up to the requirements. You see, I didn't use glove. I didn't use a lot of things. So anyway, yeah, obviously you can see, whoa, fungus on this side. There's fungus on this side. Let me see. A little bit of fungus over there. Okay, so now here I have 3% hydrogen peroxide, right? I think I'm going to first use this to clean the lens. Then here I have light fluid, right? This is the second run, okay? Light fluid. Then I have last run. I'm use lens cleaner. Okay. I'm going to start it. Okay. I'm going to get started. Let's see how we're going to do this. Okay. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. Okay, first Okay. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. 3% hydrogen peroxide. Okay. To see if I can kill it, kill the fungus. Okay. I'm going to wait. Okay. Hopefully. Let's see. Okay. Oh, let's see how we're doing. Let's see. Huh. Actually, look at that. It's gone now. All the fungus are gone now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. Now, I'm going to use, I'm going to skip the light flue. Light flue, I don't think I need a light flue. Okay. So, okay. Okay. This is good. Hopefully a little easier job. Yeah, we get something, you know, get something easy job done first, right? I remember I still need to work on that Nikon FE2. Yeah, I need to find one, you know, repairable one. Man. Okay. Wow, that's nice. I can't believe. I can't believe. Sometimes, you know, some people see the lens has fungus, just right, dump it. Right, it's just a little bit of work. Now you see that? Everything just clean. I think the fungus just start to build up, so that's why. Wow. Okay. I think this is good. This piece, lens piece is good. Now, we have a little bit of fungus there. So this one, I'm going to give a little coating on that. Okay? So give a little bit of coating on that. And okay. Got some heavy duty wiper here. Okay. So see if we can wipe out the fungus. I want you guys to know, right? I'm not following the requirements when I clean up this lens, you see. So you need to wear gloves, follow the procedure, okay? Because I'm just want to make this simple, right? Because this lens is kind of in bad shape, so that's why. But I should follow the procedure anyway. Use a glove with care. Okay. Okay. Yeah, looks good. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Wow. It's clean. Everything is clean. Man, unbelievable. Unbelievable. We need to give give it some good blow. Wow, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Actually, these Mamiya lens is relatively easy to work with, as long as you can take off the lens, right? The lens piece. The difficulty is sometimes it's so much clogged up, you cannot even take it off. So that's the most of the problem is. Okay? If you can take them off, that's relatively easy for you to work with. Okay? Okay. That's good. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, we just need to screw this back in. Okay. Okay, that's an easy job today, okay? Why not? Why not? Right? That's a relatively easy job today. We can live with that, right? We can live with that. Okay. Spanner. Let's see. Oh, shit. Okay. This spanner. Okay. Now, let's see how we're doing here. Okay. Okay, this is good enough. Okay. Thank you for watching today's easy work. We'll get back to the challenging one. Okay. So yeah. So at least I can continue to use this lens. Right? Of course, it's a little bit dirty, but it's okay. The front lens group is a little bit dirty. Okay. Give it quick wipe. Okay. So okay, that's done. Remember, when you clean the lens, following the generic required procedure. I'm just today I'm just a little bit lazy. Okay. Thank you. See you later, or see you next episode.